Good day everyone, my name is Alec Micaela Itario and my topic is all about body measurement in dressmaking. So in this video, I will be discussing and showing the different ways on how to take body measurements. And I will also present the tools needed, the general rules in taking body measurement, the importance of body measurement, and common mistakes to avoid. So this topic is important because it helps in creating well-fitted and comfortable garments. So let's begin. So let us first know what is body measurement. So body measurement is an important step in dressmaking. It helps ensure that the garment fits properly, looks good, and comfortable to wear. Accurate measurements are used as a basis for pattern making and garment construction. Okay, so body measurement in dressmaking involves taking the exact size of different parts of the body using measuring tape. So these measurements are used as a guide in creating a pattern and sewing garments. And proper and accurate measurement is important because it helps achieve a well-fitted, comfortable, and well-balanced finished clothing. So without correct measurements, the garment may become too tight, too loose, or poorly fitted. So next is the tools we needed in taking a measurement. So first is we have the measuring tape. So measuring tape is used to measure different parts of the body accurately. And reading should be taken from starting from the zero mark up to where it reaches. Okay? And then next is notebook and pen. So it is used to record all the measurements properly right after taking them. Okay? And then next is mirror. So it is optional. So it helps you check your body position and ensure the tape is placed correctly, especially if you are taking a measurement alone. And then next is cord or string. It is optional also. So it is used to mark the waistline to guide accurate measuring. So after the tools, next is we have the general rules when taking a measurement. So first is stand straight but relax. So you should keep your body natural and not stiff to get a accurate measurement. Okay? And then next is do not pull the tape too tight or too loose. Make sure that the tape is close fitting or snug or just right fit, meaning it is firm on the body but still comfortable without squeezing. Okay? And then next is measure over light clothing. So, you should wear a thin clothes so that the measurement are not affected. Like, do not wear like hoodies, pants that like denim pants, like that. And then next is record measurement immediately. So you should write down each measurement right away to avoid forgetting. And the next is, or the last is, double check measurements for accuracy. So measure again to confirm that the results are correct. Okay, so let's proceed to the classifications of body measurement or the different ways in taking a measurement. So first is we have the circumferential measurement. So it is taken around the body. Like for example, on the chest, the waist, the wrist, and etc. And the second is horizontal measurements. So it is taken from the left figure to the right. In other words, from left to right. Okay? And then the vertical measurement is taken from the top to the bottom of the body. Okay? Now that I have introduced the classifications of body measurement, I will now present the examples under each classifications. Now that I have presented the examples under each classification of body measurements, then let us proceed to the importance of body measurements. So, importance of body measurements, first is ensures proper fit of the garment. So, the body measurement helps clothes fit the body correctly. And then next is provides comfort to the wearer. So, make sure that the clothes feel easy and comfortable to wear. And then next is helps in accurate pattern making. So, body measurement, it gives correct data for creating clothing patterns. And then next is improves overall appearance. So, it helps the final garment look neat and well fitted. So next is common mistakes to avoid when taking a measurement. So first is measuring too tight or too loose. So this can result in incorrect and inaccurate measurements. And then next is wrong body position. So this may affect the correctness of the measurement. And then next is forgetting to record measurements. So this can lead to missing or lost data. And the last is measuring in the wrong area. So this can result in wrong sizing of the garment. So those are the common mistakes to avoid when taking a measurements. Okay? So in conclusion, body measurements in dressmaking are classified into circumferential, vertical, and horizontal measurements. So each type plays an important role in achieving a well-fitted garment. So when measurements are taken correctly, they result in clothing that is comfortable, accurate, and visually appealing. So, thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you.